I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the device so Android exposes developer options. First, make sure the phone is charged and unlocked. Swipe into Settings, open About Phone, and tap build number 7 times until you see a message that developer options are enabled. Once done, go back to Settings, open Developer Options, and keep the screen awake while connected. Then plug a reliable USB cable into the phone and your computer, and set the USB mode to File Transfer so the computer recognizes the device immediately. Now you enable USB debugging and verify the connection. In Developer Options, scroll to find USB debugging and toggle it on. Accept the confirmation prompt because this grants ADB control. Meanwhile, on your computer, install Android SDK platform tools and open a terminal or command prompt. Type a DB devices to start the ADB server. If the device appears as unauthorized, look at the phone and accept the RSA fingerprint prompt. Make sure drivers are installed on Windows or use proper UDEV rules on Linux. You're on the final stretch. Confirm ADB control and perform your intended tasks. Run a DB shell to open a device shell, a DB install to push apps, or a DB reboot to restart. These show the debugging channel works. If the PC still won't see the phone, revoke USB debugging authorizations in Developer Options, reconnect, and re-accept the RSA prompt. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap the USB cable and port, reinstall drivers or platform tools, and ensure the phone is set to file transfer so ADB can communicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.